Hi, my dearest friends. In this video, I want to talk about the scientific proof for intuitive healing and medical intuition. Now, we are living through the time when our health is challenged because we are entering a new age, the age of Aquarius, the age of energy, and we're trying to balance and rebalance the physical and the spiritual sides. Because at the age of Aquarius, everything is just energy. And science right now is all about energy. Look at the scientific study fields like quantum physics, molecular biology, nanotechnology. Everything is wireless in the side of science right now. And now look at the spiritual side of life. Spirituality is all about energy and understanding the subtle energy that runs through your body. Therefore, at the age of Aquarius, it's all together, science and spirituality. So this is why I wanted to talk to you about this topic, that there are lots of scientific proof for intuitive healing and medical intuition. And we should not separate. Like I notice that some people just like to separate, like I am scientific, I am spiritual. But the fact is that we are all one. And this is what the age of Aquarius is all about. And intuitive healing and medical intuition is about combining both science and spirituality. And use your intuition when you need to use more conventional approach to health and when you need to go on your own and heal yourself. But in a way, it's all about healing yourself because you need to rely on your intuition to heal. And this is the most reliable way to heal. My intuition, what my body tells me that I need to do in order to heal my life and my health.